How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thanks very much for tuning in. My name is Alex. We're going to be going over Snapchat stock, which had earnings, and well, let's just look at the stock right now, down 20% in the after hours. So they did post earnings, and they did beat estimates, but the main problem is guidance. And Morningstar actually lowered their fair value price target from $74 to $70. So not that huge of a price difference, but it is significantly lower. And as we can see, Snapchat stock is sitting at roughly around $60 per share. So the fair value of 70 does have a $10 upside. And personally, I do think that this is a good dip to buy. But along with Snapchat, it did take a lot of other social media stocks down with it. As we can see, Facebook is down, Pinterest is down, Google is down, etc. So this is actually going to provide a really good dip buying opportunity for people who want to pick up some shares at a nice discount. So why exactly is Snapchat guidance not so great? It's basically because advertisers are pretty hesitant to purchase ads on their platform, mainly due to supply and labor shortages. If you aren't aware, there is a backlog of cargo ships, not only at the Southern California ports, but ports all over the country, which is pretty significant. There's just not enough labor to unload all these cargo ships. So there's a huge labor shortage, and it's creating this huge backlog, which is causing a really huge hit on the supply and creating a supply shortage for a lot of these companies, which is why a lot of advertisers are hesitant to purchase ads because they're not sure if they can receive all the shipments in time. So that's why Snapchat guidance for next quarter not looking so great. But if you are bullish, if you do love these companies, I know I'm a huge fan of Facebook, Google. Very good dip buying opportunities. Google not down as much as the others, down 2%. Pinterest down 3%. Facebook down 4%. Some really good dip buying opportunities, in my opinion. You can get these shares at a really nice discount, especially Snapchat stock that we're really eyeballing here. Down quite a bit, down 20%. I do think it's going to be rebounding. It went to all the way down negative 27% before recovering, because when a stock drops this much, a lot of people do think of it as a really good dip buying opportunity, and it does tend to cause a slingshot effect. A lot of people buy back the stock once it dips a significant amount, causing in turn the stock to rise, which creates some more interest in the stock, and a lot of people just keep buying more and more, which is why it recovered from 27% to negative 20%. So that's not a huge increase, but 7% difference is pretty substantial in my opinion. Snapchat stock, definitely a great pickup in my opinion, $60 per share at this really big dip buying opportunity, as well as the other stocks as well, Facebook, Pinterest, and Google. Overall, in the long term, I can see these companies recovering, but you just gotta buy and hold and wither out the storm. As you can see, Snapchat stock is starting to recover as we can see the price moving. So that's about it for this video. If it helped in any way, please leave a like, comment down below what your thoughts are, and of course subscribe if you're new to the channel. Helps out a lot. Thanks for watching.